Welcome back to another Red Wiggler Wednesday. Last week was the 1.5 year checkup, so we'll say 1 year and 27 weeks since we got started with the Red Wigglers in the Worm Factory 360. And we got 4 trays going. It is February the 5th. We're just going to take a look in and see how things are going. And seeing a few worms, seeing some castings. I think we did feed in the corners last week though, didn't we? Coffee grounds. There we go, what is that? Yeah, a little bit of coffee grounds, they're in there. Seeing a few. There's a banana. Mites on it. A few worms. Nice little group of red wigglers. And that second tray, I didn't look to see if we had any dangling underneath, but we got some castings. Been feeding a little bit of pumpkin, and there's a few red wigglers there. A little dry on the edges. A little dry. A little crunchy. Yeah, just on that one. I guess closest to the window. Just kind of scattered out. Sprout growing, nothing too exciting. We got our bait cup. Expecting a bunch of worms in it. Not seeing none hanging out. Dump that bait cup in here on the top tray. Oh yeah, we got worms. Might be a good thumbnail. Just layered that pumpkin and some peat moss and shredded cardboard bedding. And lured them right in that styrofoam cup. We're going to put them in the Worm Factory 360. Got some good size, good healthy looking red wigglers. So, I'll put them in here. Take a quick peek through our red wiggler bin that we've got the 3 big pumpkin stems, if you've followed along and seen that. And I don't know what all we put in here. Just a ton of stuff. There's a ton of red wigglers. Started with supposed to be 2,000. Ended up being 1 pound. And then I got a complimentary 500. So I don't know exactly how many we started with, but we got a bunch now. A year and a half later. Pretty easy if you're looking to get into raising worms. Just do it. Get you a plastic tote, plastic bin like this. $6, $8, $10. Some shredded cardboard. I just seen a cocoon. And they do that. They make babies, make more worms. Turn your trash into this stuff. Alright, let's see if we got some big pumpkin rinds or stems. Got worms on it, or at least around it. That's that big thick one. It's not breaking down yet. Few worms, not many. It's starting to break down. I can press through it. Oh, I just broke it. Well, there's a worm inside of it, several. Huh. That other one was about gone already. Oh yeah. It's just the big end of it. Oh, I think I just squeezed the worm. They're working on it for sure. That's all I can do. Let's see if we still got a bunch of worms in here. If we made a dent at all. Oh yeah, there's still a ton of worms in here. So I'll redo the bait cup. Get that going. Try to bait the rest of these out. Get comments asking about worms escaping. There's the casualty right there. I'm gonna say that's an African out of one of the breeder trays. And we'll take a look at the Vermibag Minimist. We got about 3 weeks since it's been going again, I believe. Been feeding pumpkin. Got a sprout going on. I don't want to dig too deep, but I guess it don't matter since we started over. Yeah, they look good. Eating on that banana peel. So I'm going to redo the bait cup. Looks like they still got plenty of food. They're looking good in here. Not going to worry about feeding them. If you're interested in a Vermibag product, use that link in the description. Hit that thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.